Okay, guys, put your car on screen clean mode.
Initially.
Now you can see all them
You
bubbles.
can see all them bubbles now, cousin.
We duck, no smoke. We die, no smoke. We duck, no smoke. We die, no smoke. We duck, we dodge, we dodge. We duck, we dodge, no smoke. We duck, no smoke.
Alright, so look, we're gonna install this Tesla protective screen. This one is in matte. This one is supposed to be really, really easy because it comes with a tray that you just put it on there. We're gonna find out. If not, I didn't even want to get it and had to clean it and all of that. See, Quan wanted to pull the mess off of my screen. She wanted to pull it off, but we're gonna install this thing. Let's see how easy it is.
But this does have to come off, correct?
It does have to come off. I don't even want to touch toolkit on the inside. I bet this has a little cleaner or something in there, right? Let's see. Okay. That's the cleaner, which we shouldn't need because it's brand new. Oh, oh no, it's still up there. I see dust. They got the little dust removal stickers. And of course, they got the cloth to wipe it down, telling you how to remove the bubbles. Okay. From the bottom down like that. All right, let's see. Move that junk. Move that. This say top.
Now we do need to remove this, correct?
Press and slide. Wait 30 seconds. Then you remove from here.
Okay.
I'm sure we got to take the box. Oh, we got to. Hold on.
It's in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
I mean, we're gonna have to take. Of course, we're gonna have to take this off. It's gonna have to stick.
So I need to take this off.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, take it off. Cause this is what I'm saying. This is how silly we are.
Oh wait, slowly.
I hear the music.
Yay.
Bang. So it's brand new. Of course, you gotta take the adhesive back part off.
Okay,
Right.
So top, and then what do you do? Press.
No, I'm just saying,
Oh.
like, it's not. You gotta take the back off. Is what I'm saying.
We gotta turn the screen off.
I'm saying you gotta take the back off so it
Did
can
they
stick.
say that? I'm
You have to.
Did they say it? Where's directions?
Ain't no directions.
Oh, so I guess that means it should be self-explanatory.
You gotta take the back off. That's the book. All right, y'all. Here we go. Directions. We should have did this first.
Reading is fundamental.
Clean the screen. That's brand new, so we ain't gotta worry about all that. Peel the back off, and then put it on there from the. Look like the bottom is on first. Look like they went from bottom, then the top. Yeah, and then we'll wait. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna put it on bottom to top. You can talk.
Top to bottom.
Top to bottom? You don't think? Oh, put the top on first?
And then push it down.
Yep.
Okay, put the top on first and then the
And
bottom.
push it in, maybe.
Like
push it
click
down.
like that.
Yep.
Okay. Top to bottom, y'all.
Thanks, Sam. 'Cause I was
Yeah,
looking
Sam,
for
you
that.
talk, man. I got an edit machine. Man, I got a machine that will edit. That's so fast. All right, top to bottom. All right, so let's remove the back film. Here we go.
Looks like you need some nails. Wait.
Back removed.
Yeah, 'cause I want you to take off the wrong
I know.
part.
I probably was about to take off the
I
wrong
think so.
part. All right, and they say from the top, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got the top on.
Come down
Press
and
it
press
down.
it.
What is this doing then? Press and slide.
You gotta wait.
I'm gonna tell you what I should have did.
Wait, turn the thing off.
We should have put the screen on clean We should have put the screen on clean. Press all the way in.
So
Press
what
all the way.
did it say?
Press
What's
all
the
the way.
direct?
Press all the way.
Press for how long? I know you gotta wait 30
Press
seconds.
and slide.
So wait. So are
We waiting 30.
officially Waiting.
I want to make sure I'm pressing.
And I got all the air bubbles in there.
I see it, right? You see them?
Mm-hmm. But then they're gonna.
And so 4.
Smooth it out.
I would not want one where you got to put it on here like this, with like free,
Like you do a
free
phone.
hand.
Oh, no.
Oh my, free hand? Nah. I don't believe in that free hand stuff.
You work all those bubbles out of it.
With the thing off.
Yeah.
So you basically telling me to hurry up and take this part off, ain't you?
Oh, they're back. I think they'd already left.
All right. So have we waited 30 seconds? Wait 30 seconds. 1. Press and slide. Press and slide. Right? I'm pressing and I'm sliding. Look like some Adam.
That do.
I guess that's probably to get that middle part because you're gonna when you work the film out, it's gonna come from the middle to the outside.
Yeah. All right, so we've pressed and slide so many times, slid, slewed, and slided. All right,
Has it been 30 seconds?
it's been 30 seconds.
30 more for the road.
All right, 30 seconds. All right. Got a whole lot of editing to do this time. Where that tool at? Right here. This is the one we're gonna be using to push out. Got our tool right here. 4, pull that strip. Why is 4 at like? Don't it go all the way?
4 is pulling the strip off that black tape.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? That's another film under there.
Got it.
Yeah, it's another film under there.
Oh, okay.
That's not the actual screen.
Alright. Now it's gonna tell her to pop that joint off.
All right, so we pulled that off. 4. Is it 2 films?
Then you take this off
Fold.
and then take that film off. So take this off,
You see?
right?
Oh, the bracket coming off now?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
bracket
the
come
back
off.
coming off, and then
Then it's another film.
and there's another film. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, now you're gonna work the
bubbles.
edges. Yep.
Now we got.
Now you gotta take this off.
Oh, did we don't.
And look at it again. I think you take this off and then you work it, because it is the part that
Where
got
the
that.
directions go? Oh, right here.
See, then you take it off and then you take this one off, and then you
and
work
then you
it.
squeeze it. Okay, hold on. Can we just make sure though?
Oh Lord, I done. What was that? I done turned something all
The
the way
volume.
up. Oh Lord,
Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt.
that's why we
Oh, hold
wrong
on.
for having this on.
We need
What's
to
your
have it
name?
on. What's it?
Yeah.
Ain't something called clean or something?
I always go back to car when all
Clean.
else fails.
Hold on. Where the voice command? Not that one, Kanye. Screen clean.
You got to say her name? That's a Tesla.
Tesla. We look like we don't know what we're
sound
doing.
like and look like. So,
Okay, I ain't worried about that.
so
Cut the call.
Nah,
Is
you
that
you
so-
can put it on.
service. Where's the screen? What screen?
Display.
Display.
Screen clean mode.
Okay.
Okay, guys, put your car on screen clean mode.
Initially.
Initially,
Now you can see all them
you can
bubbles.
see all them bubbles now, cousin. I know you're supposed to wait,
Yeah, you are.
so I'm gonna do that by hand. All right, so I think you probably
Yeah,
can't get them
you
out with
probably
that.
can't, yeah.
Yeah, with that on there.
That's probably why they gave you a tool.
Yeah, take that off and then do
Red, I
the
like
bubbles.
taking it off.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, half of them bubbles was between that and that.
Oh.
That's why. Yeah, I think that's something right there.
Work that out.
Oh.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. Come on, air. So I knew this the whole time. I just like to give people chances to figure it out. Come on out of here. Couldn't have done this on the white screen.
Oh no.
You barely see it on the black screen.
You barely can see it on this screen, y'all.
Okay. I think that might be it.
No, it's not right here.
Go.
We're going to pray right now. We bind you up, air bubbles. You coming out of here. Come out!
Right there to the left, right there. Yeah.
What the directions say? It don't.
It
just
say use the tool.
No, it say do your best.
It did not. Bubble. So they knew it was going to be some bubbles.
It's their product. And we went with a matte one to cut down on glare.
Mm-hmm. That's the only place I see anything.
Mm-hmm. You got the glasses on, do you?
Oh, it still won't
I see
go
some.
away.
Yeah.
I know right there will not go. You see some more? I
You
just
gotta
see
put
that
that
one.
one to the left.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, that's the one I see. Yeah, I can do not
Work
want
that all the way out.
And this is my actual screen.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. That's why you got this soft thing on there.
Sleep. It's been a full day. Very exciting.
What y'all see?
She's not standing on no more.
I guess we'll
So at least we can say we've never had our screen unprotected. The screen has been protected the whole time. Got the whole family out buying Tesla.
They about to put us off the lot. No, they won't.
They better come through with customer service.
Mm-hmm. They do a good job though. Like when we came in for a test drive, man, they come to you and they get your little copy of your license and okay, screen cleaner mode. Couldn't have done it without it. And watching all those videos from other people, I knew to come to the screen cleaner mode.
Ooh.
Alright, I'm looking.
Probably gotta change the angle on light or something. It
Okay,
looks
I
good.
think it looks good. Maybe right there a little bit, just
You
right
see
there.
air bubbles over here?
Just a tad. Can you see anything? It's just a reflection.
I don't see anything
Okay.
from mine.
Let me see that. Let me just press it with my hand. Get on out of here. If you're in here, come out.
Y'all look good up there. Though.
We look good.
Y'all look good.
Woo! That panoramic roof. It's a complete roof.
It is.
That clear roof.
Hey, you got your seat good, Eric?
Is my what?
Your seat good?
Yeah.
Man, I got tons of space back here, man.
It is.
I mean, it feels like a car, but it's classified as an SUV.
I mean, I'm not a big guy, but still, it's
Man.
some great room, knee room, everything.
Yeah.
Even with you all the way back to your position.
Yeah, I'm plenty of room.
And then I think it helps, like how you're in the middle, how it don't have that hump right there.
Listen,
It's flat.
like if I was a kid, I'd want to lay down right there.
Hold
It's
to
comfy
it.
back there.
And they get your countdown for the exit.
Yep.
Back in business.
Back in business. It looks
Okay,
good.
It looks, yeah.
That's the screen.
Ooh.
It has a matte. I don't even remember what it looked like before because
Me either. Oh, we got video.
but it has a matte cover on it. We can put all this junk back in here. So the Tesla screen was very, very easy. It says watch our installation video before you do it. I did not. GLAStR EZ Fit. I like it. Anti-glare.
We got some wipes you can leave, and we'll probably order that
Yeah.
thing for in here, so you can have.
Oh yeah, yeah. Organizer. Yeah. That was real simple and easy, y'all.
Good job, man.
Yeah.
Well, team.
Team.
We had a team.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork make the dream work. All right, you can stop that.
We duck, no smoke. We dodge, no smoke. We duck, no smoke. We dodge, no smoke. We duck,